Gabrielle Reyes, welcome back.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
How you
Good.
doing?
Hey,
Giddy.
Hey. Today we're making loaded rainbow bowls. You have all the ingredients here. We are tasting the rainbow. You have the proteins, your greens, your bell peppers, all the dressings. You come correct.
Yes, always with the vibrancy, always with the color.
Yes.
So this right here is actually our roasted bell peppers. I got red, I got yellow, orange, green, any color that you can afford. Get yourself some bell
Pick it
peppers.
up.
And then some seasoned lentils.
Seasoned with
Steak seasoning, with a little bit of red pepper chilies, and then also some poultry seasoning in there too. I just made them merge.
That's what we love about you, though, because you're not afraid to try new things to have a really cool flavor palette.
No, you gotta add in that seasoning, especially with lentils. They soak up seasoning really well, and if not, they don't really taste that well.
And the protein.
Yes, of course, protein, iron, B12, all that goodness. So let's add everything into our bowl. First things first.
Can we talk about how good this smells right now? Everyone at home, every time Gabby comes on, I'm so jealous for you watching because it smells glorious in here.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. But in addition to the smell, what we eat is so full of flavor and it's so good for you.
Yes, always. That's why you got to have good skin. You want to feel good. You want to have energy. You want to have those bowels moving, flowing through you. And, we got to. A lot of people.
She keeps it very real, friend. She keeps it very real. 100.
A lot of people do have issues with their intestines or with their stomach issues and general headaches, migraines. And a lot of that has to do with what you're eating. So creating a simple plant-based recipe like this is the easiest way everybody can enjoy the rainbow.
And you are a living testament to that because you've been vegan for over a decade now.
Oh my gosh.
And
I feel so old.
But that's an incredible journey. And you've seen the changes in your overall health just by completely overhauling your diet.
Yeah, like the complete opposite. I actually feel so young. I don't feel my age, which is kind of strange. I feel very vibrant ever since I started eating plant-based. And honestly, it's just kind of given me mental clarity mostly.
Ooh, well, you are always glowing when you come on ISF.
I got you.
You've added the bell peppers and all the peppers. Now, what is this seasoned with?
So this right here actually used a little bit of fajita seasoning, a little maple syrup.
It smells like, boom, there it is. Fajita seasoning, love it.
Of course. So let's add in these lentils and chickpeas next. Why don't you add in a scoop of lentils right over there?
Just a scoop?
Go in as much as you want. I like to add in about the same equal amount on all sides.
And this gives it a substitute for meat texture.
Yes, exactly. If you want to add in something a little bit more hearty, you can add in walnuts, pecans, or even quinoa to give it a little crunch. Cool. So yeah, there we go. We have our beautiful salad made. I'm gonna add in just a little more lentil.
Sure, why not?
Because I'm going in with it.
She going in.
There we go. Next, what I want to do is add in all of our toppings, our dressings. So I'm going to give this a nice little drizzle.
And that dressing is?
This is some hummus with a little bit of some hot sauce mixed together. Super simple. I keep my dressings just like 1, 2 ingredients, boom. Get it in there. Make sure it's creamy and decadent. And you can make anything creamy with hummus.
But isn't that the secret sauce is all of this inexpensive, 1.
Yes.
2, easy to make. And speaking of convenience, we want to keep it quick and easy.
Yes. And this is one of those recipes you can batch make everything, get the kids involved, getting the seasoning and spice on, and then just have fun decorating it. Like add on these little tortilla chips we got right there.
Here we go.
Give it a nice little sprinkle.
I'm here, look, bam. All right, here we go. We're good.
Go in. There we go. And yeah, you can serve this with some tortilla, with a little bit of rice, quinoa, whatever grain
you could probably also, I'm thinking, make this into a wrap.
Oh, yes, of course. Like any kind of wrap or any kind of tortilla, large tortilla would be really good with this too.
Great.
So I say we dig on in, get ourselves a bite.
Cheers.
I'm going to get my chickpea on.
I'm
a little bit of this
overjoyed
there's lettuce in here
to try the lettuce
and the bell pepper.
And the bell pepper because, again, you guys at home, get in on this texture real quick. I mean, get in on that. There's everything here. You have the sauce, the greens, the legumes, the bell peppers. Again, the rainbow, right? And we are tasting the rainbow.
Eat it.
Gabrielle, what this is giving me is the spice from the sauce. Incredible. The legumes are soft and just right. You
seasoning.
Love the crispness from the greens in here is on point, and the bell peppers give you a fajita-like moment, but it still tastes elevated.
We love a fajita moment. We love a fajita moment.
And the crunch.
And the crunch.
From the corn chips. This is everything. This is so good.
So simple, and this costs less than $5 to cook up this recipe. If you buy the lentils from scratch, buy the chickpeas, and get yourself some bell peppers, whether frozen or fresh, you can make yourself a meal.
Good to go. All these recipes are in your book, as well as the launch of your new merch.
Yes, I do. I actually have some cute little cutting boards, some aprons, some t-shirts, crop tops, tank tops, whatever you need. I got you.
I got you. The greatest vegan, the one great vegan, Gabrielle Reyes.
Thank you.
Like I said, every time you come, we always leave with full bellies and big smiles on our faces because you are 100% that girl.